Never ever downplay usuku lokuqala enyangeni because it sets a tone for the month. And so as we step onto the month of June, we declare victory. We declare peace. We call for peace to be still. We call for the mercies of God. You know what the Bible says? It says God's mercies are new every morning. So meaning for the month of June, there are new mercies that are set just for this month. And so we declare new mercies, man. We walk on new mercies. We walk on gold. We walk on victory. We are setting the tone for a month. We shall not be discouraged this month. We shall not be sad in this month. Let this month be a determining month. Ukuthi unyaka wako, the tone of your year will look like this. Speak into your new month, man. Speak into your new month because you are the prophet of your destiny. So just in this month alone, I just declare peace. Peace that surpasses all understanding. Mercy that speaks well of my God, because in mercy is so personal. Mercy that is just going to be experienced distinctly by me. Grace is for everyone, but mercy is personal. So I declare mercy upon each and every one of us. Sibe naleyo personal encounter nje noNkulunkulu. Kuba ukuthi le nyanga nje is the month where things turned around for the year 2026. Kuba ukuthi nje the 6th month in the year 2026 was the month in which I saw God turn the captivity of Zothile, and it became like a dream. Kwaba nje inyanga eyodwa. It just took God June to set the tone for my year. So this month may it be a good month for you to just experience the goodness of the Lord. Receive it. Izinto siyazamkela. Izandla zakamoya ziyavulwa, guys, to receive the bountiful that God has in store. If only we knew izinto uNkulunkulu ayihlelela abangcwele bakhe. Umsebenzi wethu nje ukuzamkela, to open our hands to receive.